Well, take two. I had forgotten to put the memory chip in the high-res camera. Alright, we're recording now. It's late in the day, 7:55. And it's 67 degrees on Saturday the 15th of July. Just about halfway through the month. July has 31 days, so we're not quite halfway. We're getting out here late because we had some rain earlier. A couple of claps of thunder and some lightning. We had one good lightning and thunderclap like a second later, so it was pretty close. Sunrise was 4:57, I think. Sunset's at 8:18. Sunset. No, I cut grass yesterday again. I was only going to cut the east side of the house, but I just got involved. Did the east, the south, some of the west. About 6 hours of cutting. Gonna head down to the Stoneville Cliff shortly to have breakfast. Come on, bud. Come on. Stop eating the grass. Flynn. Come on. I don't know why he's eating the grass this morning. Got the little walk behind mower out yesterday. Cleaned up his fenced-in area. Then I came out here along the side of the driveway and mowed. There was a lot of rocks. The walk behind mower is high enough so I'm not going to hit the rocks. I got under the trees here. Clean that up a little bit. Yeah, I went through 5 gallons of gas yesterday, maybe a little bit more. But I'd filled up the containers on, I guess, Thursday. Already got one empty. So after mowing, I took a ride over to Sandy and Kevin's place to see what their barn looked like. I figured they'd be there, and I looked out because they were just leaving. They got back out of their truck and gave me the tour of the place. And on the way back, I noticed a car across from Rick in the path over there. People from Montana had bought the property. I think this is the first time they're over here. Flynn, which way we want to go? Flynn. Flynn. Which way? Let's go to North Drive today. Come on. You got the boots on. So I can walk in the grass. I was a little disappointed Mr. White took off early yesterday. I thought he was going to be around till Sunday, but he said he had to get back to Exeter, take care of some stuff. He's got a job on Monday, I guess. I'm eating one of those Fireball cinnamon jawbreaker things. Oh, Flynn's taking care of business already. Wow. So it's going to be a short video. We'll go back, hop in the truck, go down and get breakfast. Good boy. A little less thunder. Let's go, bud. Flynn, come on. I don't know why it's got to smell every inch of the way. All right. Apparently something of interest was walking along on the side of the road. He wanted to check out what it was. Having been on the zero turn and walked behind for 6 hours, I didn't waste any time on Twitter yesterday, so I don't know what's going on in the world. other than it appears Joe Biden's making another attempt at buying votes with student loan forgiveness that the Supreme Court already said was out of his purview. But he bought the votes in 2020, promising students that they get loan forgiveness, and they didn't, so they'll be fooled again and vote for this clown. Only to find out that he lied again. Come on, buddy, let's go. Good boy. We'll take a walk around the side, show you the yard. Just hope Flynn doesn't try and lie down in the wet grass. Come on, bud. Yep. I gotta get a string trimmer and trim the grass around the fence. But other than that, I guess 100, 200 feet past the trees there is another field. That's my Starlink. I got an internet. Like you, Elon Musk. Weather station. Try to get some digital TV, but it doesn't work. And the dish network TV. That's gonna wrap it up for today. Thanks for watching. Gonna go get some breakfast. All right, bud.